Welcome to the OCSAA training video, Preparing and Updating the Staff Roster in AVS 2. In this video, you will learn how to navigate to the AVS 2 session in Accreditrac. You will understand what staff data was imported and how to edit each staff member of your school. Before you begin to edit AVS 2, it will be important for you to gather all of your current information. You will need your current staff list, all educator state IDs of your current staff, as well as current background check and FBI dates. Please use the current school year and not last year's roster. You will need to include teachers, administrators, aides, office staff, coaches, and athletics, and other paid employees who work with K-12 students during the school day. If you are unsure about whether to add a staff member to AVS 2, please see the AVS guidebook in Accreditrac or contact your local diocese. You can get the educator state IDs directly copied from the core website, and I will show you how to do that. It will be helpful to know who at the school or the diocese can confirm credential questions. Step 1. You will need to review every single staff member of your school in Accreditrac. While the vast majority of staff members were imported into Accreditrac, there are edits that need to be made. I will show you how to click into each person's record so that you can make these edits. First, confirm that each person still works at the school. Remove or mark inactive any staff member who should no longer appear. Add any new employee who was not imported or is a new hire. There will be a separate video to explain this process. Again, please see the AVS guidebook if you are unsure if an employee needs to be added. Step 2. The main edits are to the new fields called categories and roles. You will choose the best available category and the most accurate role for each employee. Do not select other. There is no option to select other. The role determines what information and license permit information may be required. Accurate roles help diocesan and OCSAA reviewers understand the staff assignment. I will now show you how you can find and copy the exact educator state ID for each staff member. You must log into your own OHID account and scroll down until you see the Educator Licensure and Records Core app. If you do not have this app, you will need to request it from ODEW. Once in Core, in the red top banner, you will click Educator Licensure, Educator Profile. You can then search by last name, first name, and birth year of every staff member, and upon searching, it will give you the educator state ID. This is the only number that you will enter into Accreditrac. Again, this is the only number that you will enter into Accreditrac. In Accreditrac, you will navigate in the top right to the 2026-2027 Fall AVS session. You will click Annual Verification of Standards Part 2. You will hit the pencil and notepad icon under Action to edit AVS 2. Your full list of staff that was imported will now appear in your full staff roster. Again, you will need to press the pencil edit icon for every staff member. Press the pencil icon to enter the staff fields. Ensure the state ID is accurate. Enter grades taught and subjects taught. And again, the new items here are the categories and the role types. I will not go through every detail of the categories and role type now. Please know in the AVS guidebook, there is detailed explanation for every category and role type. I will note a few items. If a person is non-credentialed, such as a maintenance worker or food service employee, you will select non-credentialed. Per Ohio law, this employee should be entered into RAPBAC. You should then enter yes if they are in RATBAC or no if they have not yet completed the process. Perhaps they are a new hire. For role type, you will select food service or maintenance or transportation or IT service for the non-credentialed employee. If the person is non-supervisory, meaning they do not have a credential or a license and they do not interact with K through 12 students during the school day, they would be non-supervisory. Perhaps they might be a business manager or a clerk of some kind. Select their role. For RATBAC, it would be NA. This is the only situation where there would be an NA for RATBAC. Again, that's for a non-supervisory. These grayed out fields will not be able to be edited. This will come directly from the State Board of Education file that Accreditrac is using to sync all staff information. Scroll and hit Save Changes for all staff. You can easily, on the left-hand side, click Between Staff. You need to edit every staff member with the correct subjects, grades taught, category, and role.